Today I'm here to tell you about this 7-in-1 hairstyling product. So this has 7 different attachments that you could use, and I'm going to share with you each one what it does. It does have the air curling ones, which I'm super excited to try out, you guys. So let's get into this review and unboxing. And I do want to thank Ukliss for sending me this to review for you guys. So let's get started. So if you're familiar with the Dyson or the Shark air wraps, they do cost between $300 to $600. This one is $99.99, so this is at a fraction of the cost. And I really wanted to try those, but I did not want to spend the amount of money for a hairstyling tool. So you can see right here, I've went ahead and used the curling wand, and I do really like the results from this. So when you open it up, it does give you the user guide, which is really handy to share with you all of the details about all of the attachments that you can use. This is also a glove to use because when you do detach and reattach a different styling tool, then they do get hot. So this is good to be able to interchange the styling tools. And then you have the device itself, which has the hairdryer tool already on it. It does have a pretty decent cord. What I do like about it is the fact that you also have the Velcro, so you can just keep it all together and keep it wrapped up and out of the way. I love the white and the gold champagne detail on this one. They also have it in a black option as well. You'll see on the back here, it does have your lock and unlock mechanism. So all you're gonna do is push it down to unlock it, and then it will take each piece off. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and start off with the hairdryer setting and tell you the details on it. This is the air vent flow at the bottom. And then also you've got your power button right here. There's also a little device that will lock it and unlock it. You do have to have it in the unlock position to be able to turn the device on, and you do have to push the power button for just a few moments. And then also you have your speed. There are 3 different speeds to this one. And then you have your temperature. There's 2 temperatures. There's low, there's high, and then there's a cool function. So there's 2 heating temperatures and then the cool function. And then you have the concentrated attachment that goes onto the hairdryer, along with the diffuser. I usually don't use a diffuser because this is mainly for your wavy or curly hair. It will also give you volume at the roots and lift it up if you want to do it that way. And then it does come with the flat brush when drying. It also comes with the round brush, and these bristles feel really soft, and I feel like it's going to be tangle free. In the start of the show, you do have the 2 curling wands. So you're going to use one of these on the left side and the other for the right side, and you're going to want to make sure it's got little arrows on here, which shows which way the air moves, and you're going to want to use the correct one for the left side and the correct one for the right side. So I went ahead and plugged it up to show you just how loud this device is. So when you hit the power button, you do have to hit it for a few seconds before it'll turn on. And as you can see, it's not that loud at all. On the back of it, you do have the lock button, so you just push it down to take any of the attachments off. I have thick hair that's a little bit on the longer side, so it does take quite a while for me to dry my hair. So with this device, it is 6 times faster than most of the hair dryers that are out there on the market. And then it also uses an ion technology to help protect your hair a little bit better. So I did notice that it does cut the drying time of my hair quite considerably, and I really do like the drying feature of this device. Next, I'll just attach the concentrated attachment to the hair dryer, and this is if you want to take your brush and concentrate on a specific area. As you can see, I did do that for a little bit of time, but I do really like the way that the flat brush and the round brush also style my hair as well. So I used it more. I just actually used this for the purposes to show you what it would look like when you use this. I do think that it does cut down on the frizz a little bit. And like I had stated, I don't usually use a diffuser. It's really good for, you know, your curly hair, your wavy hair, but you can also put it up on the roots and give it a little bit of volume that way. But both of those attachments are for the dryer. So next I'm just gonna go ahead and take off the attachment, the dryer attachment, and put on the flat brush. This is one of the attachments that I really like. This is really nice and soft, but it was really good about drying the hair and keeping it straight. I do have a lot of layers, so sometimes my layers can look choppy. So this was a really great way to smooth it out and also to eliminate some of the frizz. It just made it really smooth and shiny when I used this attachment. And then next up, I wanted to use the round brush. So I just unlocked the device and put the next styling tool in. And I did not see that this tangled my hair at all. I have had some of those that really tug on the hair and really get it tangled. I didn't see much hair come off in this, and it was very gentle. I did really like the round brush technology. This one also made it smooth and shiny. It's great for your blowouts to smooth the hair, and it also creates less frizz and removes the static electricity in your hair, smooths the frizz and balances the oil secretion. And then next up are the curling wands, the star of the show. So there are two different wands. One has an arrow that points this way, and the other one has an arrow that points the opposite way. So you just need to figure out which one is for your left side and which one is for your right side. And I'm just gonna say, it did take a little bit for me to get used to this technology because I'm used to a curling iron, my beach waver, hot rollers. So it's a little bit of a learning curve at first. So the way that I was able to decide which side to use the barrel on is I would just take a piece of hair and then put it there, and if it attached to it, then I would know that I was on the right side, because then I would try the opposite side and it wouldn't attach as easily. So that is the way that I learned. But like I stated before, I've never used one of the air wrap technology wands, so it was all new to me, and this was the first time ever trying it, and it was a little bit of a learning curve, but I did realize that the longer that I used it, the better that I was getting at trying to curl it. So I wanted to just show you what I was talking about. So like, as you can see, that wraps really well. And so that is just how I did it. And it suggests that you use the cool function at the end after you heat it. Let it cool down. And then it suggests for you to turn it completely off before you unwrap it. And then as you can see, that is what the curl looks like as soon as I just curled it. So I went ahead and finished my hair, and I wanted to give you my final thoughts. So I am used to either hot rollers or a regular 1-inch barrel curling iron or my beach waver. And all of those give me different types of waves. Like my hot rollers will give me a little bit of body. As far as the beach wave, I get those really nice wavy curls. So if you are looking for like ringlet curls, this air wrap didn't do it for my hair. My hair does not hold curl very long. It just wants to just get limp after a little bit of use. But I think that this gives it a lot of body, and it gives you kind of like that volume curl, if that makes any sense. Not a ringlet curl, not a wavy curl, just kind of like that body curl. So you're gonna get all the body around, and it just looks really smooth and frizz-free. So if you're really looking for those tight curls, this is not what I would recommend. But if you want to give yourself a little bit of volume and just have loose, big curls, then I think this is really a great option. And at $99, this is so much affordable than the Dyson or the Shark air wrap devices. I feel like the hair dryer itself really dried my hair in a quick amount of time, because it takes forever to dry my hair because it's so thick and so long. So I thought that that was really good, and I didn't feel like my hair feels really damaged after I would use the hair dryer. So I do really love the hair dryer function. That flat brush is a really great attachment to it, and I love how it just smooths all my layers and kind of blends them in, and it doesn't look as choppy as sometimes if I just air dry my hair or if I use other types of hair dryers. But I do think that it doesn't take that much time to do your entire hair with the air wrap curling wands, but I do think that is a learning curve the very first time that you try it, to kind of figure out how it is, because it is different than just your regular curling barrel that you just wind your hair in, or the rotating barrel that, like the beach waver, that will rotate it in for you. It's a little bit of a different type, but I do like the body that it creates. So all in all, I think this is a really great product. I've only tried it one time, but I think it's a great deal at the price that you're getting to get all those 7 attachments. I think it is a really nice deal. I do have a link in the description box for you guys that has an included discount for it to make it that $99. If you want to click on that link, it is sold on Amazon, so you know, returns are easy if you do get it and it's not something that you really like or it's not going to work for you. It is easy to return within that 30-day window. So I do hope that you have enjoyed this review on the 7-in-1 hairstyling tool from Ukliss, and also I would really love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Until next time, have a wonderful day.